to the new NDTV series, Meet Our MPs. My colleague Aishwarya spoke to LJP MP from Samastipur, Shambhavi Chaudhary, one of the young MPs in the House. In fact, in this candid chat, Shambhavi spoke about her aspirations as a child to become a politician, following her father and grandfather's footsteps. Shambhavi further said she wants infrastructural development for her constituency, Samastipur. Take a look.
Well, hello and welcome to our special segment, Meet Our MPs. And today I'm being joined by a Member of Parliament from Samastipur, Bihar, from Lok Janshakti Party, Shambhavi Chaudhary. Thank you so much for speaking to us. So, in this segment, we get to know our MPs. My very first question to you, very young, amongst the young MPs, how do you thought of coming to politics? From where this idea came?
First of all, thank you for having me on your show, and thank you to your entire team, the entire team of NDTV. And coming to your first question, the thought of coming into politics, I'm a third generation politician from my family, and I always saw my father and my grandfather work towards the society, work for their people, work for their constituency, and obviously bring about a change in the societal structure as well as a change within themselves, how they serve people, how people's expectations and aspirations directly get related to you. So I grew up watching all of this, and as a child I decided, okay, whenever I grew up, I want to do something that can make a difference.
Okay. So, not just politics or something else as well which can impact society. Is that the thought?
Definitely. I always thought of doing something that, because before I entered into active electoral politics, I was also working as a director for one of the schools.
Okay.
So I was always either in the education line. My internships have also been always affiliated to NGOs, working with NGOs, working in the education sector or the health sector. I used to run, I still do, I used to run a foundation in my grandfather's name. We work in eradicating the health issues in women. We work for education for the downtrodden. So I've always been inclined towards working for other people, like living my life and trying to make a difference so that this life is, it's a full life.
Shambhavi, as we're speaking inside the Parliament complex, being a very young MP, do you think that there is some challenge before you for addressing some issues inside the Parliament? Do you feel that being one of the young MPs?
No, I think the environment is very supportive. All the seniors really, I am being guided by all of them. They always push me beyond my limits, and always, they will sit with me, they will talk to me, they will ask me if you have any problems. So generally the environment is very supportive. I haven't incurred any problem. In fact, the speaker, he himself is very supportive of first timers. Like, he would always come and ask questions, dale, puchna hai kya? Whenever we go meet him, then he's like, kitna bole aur bolna hai. Like, he will always, if you write supplementary chits also, he'll give you a chance to ask the question. So definitely not inside the parliament, but yes, outside the parliament, sometimes I think there is a stereotypical notion that maybe young people are immature, how much can she do? So all of these things are there.
Have you encountered any such incident where this happened? Because your leader himself is one of the young leaders, Chirag Paswan. How do you get to learn from him as well?
So my leader, definitely, he has always talked of his own MY Samikaran, which is Mahila and Yuva, and how he pushes all, there are so many political parties that talk about equal representation of women, but how many of them are actually giving in? Lok Janshakti Party is one party.
Correct.
Our leader has made it possible, where he gave 2 out of 5 seats to women, and about 4 of their 5 MPs are young MPs. So definitely he's given us a chance. So leader is supportive, the parliament is supportive, infrastructure is supportive. I'm talking about the society. Sometimes people might, they never say it on the face, but it's always there in the back of their mind that, oh, maybe she's a little immature, how much can she do? So I think, and they've never said it to me, but I think they do progress that kind of...
Shambhavi, let's also talk about your constituency, Samastipur. What change, when you are representing thousands of people over there, what change you want to bring in your constituency? What are the problems that you see and you want to get these things definitely done in your 5 years of term?
So I am focusing on infrastructure because Samastipur is a constituency which has lacked infrastructural development in the last, I think, 5-8 years. It's not picked up as much as the capital of the state has, and it's very well connected to other industrial hubs like Begusarai, Patna.
Correct.
So, if we make a good infrastructure over there, it'll be easy for the youth in the constituency, for the women in the constituency to adapt to whatever. Like suppose they want to go to an educational institution or they want to work outside, they need to have that kind of infrastructure, a safe and a sustainable infrastructure that can sustain, that can stay till time progresses.
Okay.
So infrastructure, definitely I feel it's very, very crucial
Important.
to have good roads, good connectivity, good infrastructure in terms of health and education, not just roads and pulls, but good schools, good hospitals. Right now I'm also focusing on 100% implementation of central schemes. So usually what happens is ki koi scheme ko suppose it's being implemented for 70% and 75%, people think it's a good number, but I want to work where the schemes are implemented 100% and the schemes actually reach to the people that they're designed for. So trying to erase the middleman and directly focusing on the people of my constituency. Other than that, I'm also constantly working around the small things, like small things bring about a big
Big
change.
change.
And there's been a physical absence of a member of parliament in my constituency for a very long time.
You usually
People-
go travel to
yeah,
Samastipur every
all
weekends?
not weekends. I think when I'm based in Patna only. I live in
Okay.
Patna, so I'm based in Patna. And I when the session is not going on, I equally divide my time between Samastipur and Delhi.
Okay.
My focus is always Samastipur. I try to give as much time as I can to my constituency. I am also young. I feel I have the zeal to work. I have the energy that I can completely put in my constituency, and that's what I want to do. And I think we have come a long way since the last 6 months, and we still have miles to go.
Shamil, before I end this, many youngsters who will be listening to us, they also want to come and become a member of parliament. As this, Lok Sabha, we are witnessing a lot of young MPs. What approach they should have to choose this political party to go with, or this political leader to go with, to follow this? What was in your mind as well? Of course, you had the political background and leaning towards this party, but if you want to give a message.
So definitely I would always vouch for my own leader, and our party's president, Lok Jan Shakti Party's president, Chirag Paswan, is very welcoming to young people. He wants to connect with them. So have a positive approach towards it. If you want to choose a political party, then being associated with Lok Jan Shakti Party, I think would be your best bet, because we encourage young people, we
Now you're
listen
being
to
biased.
them, we try to engage in a dialogue with them. How many leaders do try that?
Correct.
Whenever we're traveling in our state, we always try to engage with young people, we try to listen to them. My father always says that a good politician is somebody who's also a good listener, so you should always have the courage to listen to what other people are saying and try to adapt it. So Lok Jan Shakti Party is definitely moving ahead in welcoming young people, young faces, new faces who want to bring about a change. So have a positive approach and try to connect with us.
Thank you so much for speaking to
Thank
us. So that
you.
was Shambhavi Chaudhary, Lok Janshakti Party MP from Samastipur, Bihar, clearly giving her thoughts as far as her journey from Samastipur to Delhi as a member of parliament is concerned.